According to early trends for the assembly elections in India's states of Maharashtra and Jharkhand, the ruling alliances look set to retain their majorities. And in Maharashtra, the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance is leading. And in Jharkhand, the ruling JMM-led India bloc is ahead. Counting of votes is still underway for both the states, as well as for by-polls in 2 parliamentary and 48 assembly constituencies. Maharashtra voted in a single phase on November 20th. The state has 288 assembly seats. 2 major political alliances are competing for a majority in the state. The Mahayuti alliance is led by the BJP and it includes Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar-led NCP. The opposition alliance of the Maha Vikas Aghadi includes the Congress, the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena and Sharad Pawar's faction of the NCP. Now, early trends show that the Mahayuti alliance is leading on 222 seats as against the MVA, which is leading on 49 seats. Coming to Jharkhand now, Jharkhand voted in 2 phases, November 13th and November 20th. The state has 81 assembly seats. A fierce contest is being witnessed between the ruling JMM-led India bloc and the NDA led by the BJP. Early trends show NDA ahead on 29 seats, while the India bloc is ahead on 51 seats. We are now being joined by Shaina NC. Well, the projections in 2 states poised very curiously. BJP-led alliance leading by a massive margin in one and not in another. What, in your opinion, has worked in Maharashtra and what has not materialized as successfully in Jharkhand?
Yes, you're right. We have worked collectively and tirelessly as the Mahayuti. Our leadership has ensured that people not only are empowered through welfare schemes, but if you take like the Ladki Behan Yojana, which the Chief Minister launched, you had 2.5 crore women who received 7,500 directly into their bank, which is a huge amount for women. And they have supported us, as have the youth who were given the stipends and the internships. The youngsters have also resonated with the internship schemes, the farmers with the direct transfer, the senior citizens with the pension schemes. So there's a lot of work which has happened on ground, as has the infrastructure projects, be it the Atal Setu, the Samruddhi, the coastal road, the metro, the Trans-Harbour Link. The list is endless. So in that sense, it is the Mahayuti government which has really done well for all of us collectively.
For now, it looks like the Mahayuti alliance is headed for a landslide victory in Maharashtra. We will see a tussle ensue between the BJP and Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena, perhaps, for the Chief Minister's post?
Well, I don't want to get into any speculation on that. It is obviously the prerogative of the leadership and the Mahayuti leadership particularly, that is the leaders, to decide who should be Chief Minister and who not. Right now, we have only one agenda, which is to give good governance and to stand united in this whole thought process of a Viksit Bharat and a Viksit Maharashtra, for which we are all working tirelessly. Our Prime Minister has said time and again that, we need to look beyond petty politics of false narratives and pseudo-secular ways and work towards a Viksit Bharat, and that is the dream for Maharashtra too.
All right. Shaina, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast today. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.